We're here in the heart of Brussels for EuroMedLab 2025, one of the biggest events in the clinical laboratory calendar. I'm Dora, Clinical Content Editor at SelectScience. Let me show you around. My personal highlights included catching up with Kevin O'Reilly, the president of Beckman Coulter Diagnostics. He told me all about the DXi 9000 and how it's been impacting patient care since its launch. Bruker told me about their acquisition of Recipe to better serve the clinical community. They have some exciting future plans in chromatography-free mass spectrometry. Werfen had multiple product launches, including a new machine to detect hemolysis. I bumped into an old collaborator, Oswald Sontag, and we caught up about the latest QC regulations. Sebia have an automated gel electrophoresis machine, which massively increases efficiency for staff. And finally, I saw Vitestro at their booth, where they were displaying autonomous blood drawing machines, which looks to be the future of phlebotomy. And that's a wrap for EuroMedLab 2025. It's been one of our busiest shows so far this year. Follow SelectScience for more highlights, interviews and scientific insights from the global laboratory community.